I'm in a Shockwave 2022 25RQ, and I'm here to take a real tape measure and give you the real dimensions of the interior of this toy hauler so you know exactly what toys can fit. So just to make sure everybody knows I'm not jerking around, boom. Regular tape measure by Swan, 30 footer. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to start with the cargo length. Okay, and what we're going to do is include the cargo length because in the back, if you can see, there's a patio kit which impedes part of the cargo. If you like videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell at the bottom of your screen or at the bottom of this video to get future notifications. Remember, to subscribe is absolutely free. It costs you nothing compared to having to come buy an RV. So, let's start with the length. So what we're going to do is I've already put the sofa up, okay, because we're also going to measure the sofa width as well. Here, let's tighten this up. Okay, we're also going to measure from the sofa over as well. So let's start with the length. We're going to take it all the way down. Now we're against it, so you can't push any further. And we are going to go to the first cabinet, which is at the end of the carpet kit. At the end of the carpet kit is exactly 10 feet. So you have 10 feet from the patio kit to the edge of the carpet kit. So right before this countertop. Okay. Now, if we go a step further and go all the way down. Go. Now we're against it again. Come all the way down. Now I'm going to bring this all the way to the last tie strap. Okay. We're going to start this tape measure all over. All right, let's try this again. Okay, going all the way to the back. We've now hit the patio kit. And we're going to come all the way to the last tie strap. And the last tie down, you're at 163 inches. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take it up to the 163. And that is where you're at on the last tie down. Okay? So that is, for those of you at home, that's 13 feet, 7 inches. Okay? So 13 feet, 7 inches from the back of the playpen for the patio to the last tie down is 13 feet 7 inches. Okay. Now, for another purposes, I'm going to come around and we are going to go a little bit lower. Whoops. All right. So everybody is concerned usually about the oven. Well, the oven from the floor, and this is the oven to the floor, is 14.5 inches tall. So from the bottom of the floor, okay, to the top of, or the bottom of the stove, an oven is 14.5 inches, okay? Now, we're gonna take, whoop, wrong way. We're gonna take the tape measure, we're going to zoom out a little bit. We're going to take the tape measure from the actual oven straight over to the wall. And that number is 73.5. 73.5 inches wide from the oven to the wall on the wheel well. Okay? And then most guys, well, what about the height of the handle? Well, let me show you. The height from the bottom of the floor to the oven handle is 31 inches. Okay? And then from the handle, the outer part of the handle, to the wall is 71 and a half. So, let's go over this. So, the length, as we've taken a rail tape measure, not what the manufacturer says, not what a salesperson says, but in the 25 RQ Shockwave 2022, from the playpin to the last tie down is 13 feet 7 inches. The width from the oven door to the wall is 73 and a half inches. From the oven handle to the wall is 71 and a half. And lastly, I got the question of what is it from the couch? So from the couch, we're going to go to the tallest point of the couch right here to the wall is 83 and 3/4. 83 and 3/4. So what fits in here? Well, if you want to squeeze it in, the RZR 1000 4-seat, as long as it's under 73 inches,